This is video 2 of creating a menu. So we currently have our main canvas with 2 buttons on. We're now going to create a secondary canvas that our options button will be linked to. So all I'm going to do for this is I'm going to select my main canvas and right click, and I'm going to duplicate it. I want to rename this canvas, so I'm just going to call it options canvas. And then I also need to rename all of the buttons in here as well. So my first button will be my sound button. And my second button is going to be my return or back button, whichever you prefer. And this is going to get me back to that main menu so I can play my game. So we have changed the text on here, but we haven't actually changed the text on our buttons yet. So over in the inspector window, I'm going to change this to sound on/off. And then my text for the return button, I'm just going to write return or back, whichever you prefer. Now, as you can see, these are currently on top of each other. So if I was to turn off my main canvas, you'll see that the buttons change there. I also, which I forgot to do in my options canvas, is I want to change the text here to options menu. Whoops. So options menu. So you can see the text layer awkwardly now on top of it there. So if I was to turn off one of the canvases, like my options canvas, you can just see one of the canvases. We will actually now, in Visual Studio, we're going to code using C# and we're going to create a script that will then organize how we want these menus to display.